Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your speaker JBL Grip. You have to start by open JBL Portable application and your speaker should be connected with the app. Then the application open for you speaker menu, and if you have update, so firstly you will see right here the line that software update available. You can click at this line, or maybe you close it. Then you can scroll down, go to the product information at the bottom, and click at the software. So right here we have the same menu. Click update, and now don't use your speaker, don't close the application, just wait until this update finished, and I will speed up it for you, and then I will show you how to successful update look like. Click Let's Party, and now we have the latest software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.